What if I told you that changing your financial future doesn't require winning the lottery, getting a massive promotion, or coming from a wealthy family? It starts with something much smaller. One decision, one habit, one step repeated every single day. The truth is, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built in the quiet moments, when no one is watching, when you choose discipline over distraction, patience over impulse, and growth over comfort. Here are 5 money rules that can completely transform your life. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but it's the foundation of every financial success story. Every dollar you don't spend becomes a soldier working for your future. Stop trying to look rich today, and start building the freedom to stay wealthy tomorrow. Real wealth isn't about expensive things. It's about having choices. Rule number 2. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills, before buying the next gadget, before spending on wants, invest in yourself. Save a percentage of every paycheck, even if it's just $5. Consistency beats intensity. Small deposits, made over months and years, grow into opportunities, security, and confidence. Your future self is counting on the choices you make today. Rule number 3. Make your money work for you. Money should never sit idle forever. Learn about investing. Build assets. Create income that doesn't depend only on your time. The goal isn't to work harder forever. The goal is to build systems that continue working even while you rest. That's how freedom begins. Rule number 4. Embrace financial discomfort. Growth rarely feels comfortable. Saying no to unnecessary spending, living below your means, learning new skills after a long day. These moments may feel difficult now, but they're building a version of you that is stronger, wiser, and financially unstoppable. Temporary discomfort creates permanent strength. Don't run from it. Grow through it. Rule number 5. Never stop learning. The greatest investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market. It's in your mind. Read books. Listen to podcasts. Study successful people. Every lesson you learn increases your ability to create value, and value is what creates wealth. Remember this: progress isn't measured by how fast you become rich. It's measured by whether you're becoming better than you were yesterday. Some days the results will be invisible. You'll save money and still feel far from your goal. You'll invest and wonder if it's making any difference. You'll stay disciplined while others seem to move ahead faster. Keep going. The seeds you plant today are growing beneath the surface, even when you can't see them. Believe in your potential. Trust the process. And understand that every smart financial decision is a vote for the future you want to live. Your life can change, not because of one giant breakthrough, but because of thousands of small choices made with purpose. So here's your challenge. Take one step forward today. Save your first dollar. Open that investment account. Read one chapter. Cancel one unnecessary expense. Start the budget you've been putting off. Whatever it is, do it now, because one action becomes one habit. One habit becomes a new lifestyle, and that lifestyle becomes the future you've always dreamed of. Your financial transformation doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins today.